Hello, everyone. My name is Chef Steven, and I'm especially excited today because this is my first official video to this channel. And also to my potential subscribers, welcome. The whole purpose of this channel is threefold. Number one, to share my love and passion for food. Number two, to introduce unique destinations. Number three, to bring out the chef in all of you. So buckle up and get ready for a culinary adventure. And by the way, here are some of the things I've done in the past. So take a look.